Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to build out a complete Google Drive clone, mini Google Drive clone, where you can upload files and view the files right in the browser itself. And for this we'll be using a framework which is very popular, a alternative to Node.js, which is Deno. Deno is a runtime environment similar to Node.js, and we will building this Google Drive application. So let me show you the demo of the application. The demo looks something like this. It is a file upload kind of an application where you have the option to choose a file, or you can drag and drop a file, and you can even put the filtration as well. Only the maximum file size should be 10 megabytes. So I will show you all these features that you can integrate this similar to Google Drive. And there is this upload file button as well. So all the files which will be uploaded will be stored inside the uploads directory. I created this uploads directory right in the server right here. So currently this directory is empty. So now as I upload the files here, you will see there is an option here, choose file button. So as I choose this file here, and you can choose any file. So specifically I'm looking for uploading images. So it will display the information as you select the file here. It will say the selected file name, what is the size of it, what is the extension, and then there is a button of upload file. So as I click the upload button, you will see you will get a notification that the upload is successful, and then this is a file name. It also gives you the download URL. So if you click the download button, the file will open and then you can download this image. So this will be the full URL of the server, localhost 8000 upload slash. So as you can see, the file is uploaded in the uploads directory as well, as you can see. So it's a complete application. And now if you want to view this file here, view all the files, it will display the list of uploaded files in a tabular structure, and we have three columns: file name, this is actually a file name; size, what is the upload date. If you click on this, the image will open, it will display. And now if you want to upload more files, you can upload it. You can see that, click, and now you can see two images are there. So now you can see two images. So it's a fully kind of a Google Drive clone web application which works entirely in the browser. So if you want to upload new file, you simply go to this, upload this, and now there are three files. So all the source code, guys, is given in the description of this video. If you want to get the source code of this project, I will also show you how I code this step by step. So you can see now there are four files available. You can see automatically all the files will be stored. So now to get started here, you first of all need to install this framework, which is Deno.js, the next generation JavaScript runtime. It's similar to Node.js, and this is their official website, deno.com. So now first of all you need to install this. For installing it, you need to go to your PowerShell and just execute a command. I'm assuming that you have installed Deno while you are watching this video, but still if you haven't, I will show you. So if you just type on ChatGPT how to install Deno, so I'm just taking shortcut. So there are two options. You can go to, if you are on Windows machine, you can open PowerShell, and then it gives you this command here. I already have the latest version, so this gives you this command. So just open this PowerShell as administrator and execute this command. So just pause the video and write this command. I am on Windows, so simply execute this. I already have Deno installed, so you will see. If I just write Deno dash dash version, so it will tell me I'm using the latest version of Deno, which is 2.3.5, and with TypeScript. So it's essentially in Deno we use TypeScript, not JavaScript. So now let me show you step by step, and this is the overall project. So the source code is given in the description. So just define a server.ts file. So this will be the main file of the project, server.ts. So you can see this is the complete project here. I will guide you, show you the important pieces of this code. So almost 598 lines of code is there. So first of all, to get started right here, you will import the basic modules from Deno, import serve, which will be coming from https deno.land/st. So this is basically the HTTP server that you are importing, and there's actually a serve method which is available. In Deno, basically, whenever you run the Deno app, then only it downloads all the packages. So first of all, you write the application, and then automatically it downloads the necessary packages. So that's why it's more effective as compared to Node.js. So similarly, first of all, let me import all the packages that is needed for this application. The serve method, serve file, ensure directory. So all these are coming from the basic Deno packages. And then here you will define your port number on which your application will run. So 8000 port number, and then here you will define your upload directory. So here you just need to create a directory here in the root directory where all your files will be stored. So just create uploads directory. The name can be anything, and then we will basically call this function ensure directory, which is part of the Deno framework. It will create this directory. So if the directory doesn't exist, it will automatically create this directory. So you don't need to create the directory. And then here we will call the basic function here, which is the handler function, which will take the request. The syntax might be a little bit different if you are coding in Deno for the very first time. It's a little bit complicated because it's TypeScript. And then here you will open this URL, request.url, and you will get the path url.path name. And here you will simply serve the HTML form. In this if condition, we are simply checking that if this is a home route request or if it's a index.html. So here you just need to provide your HTML form, get HTML form. We are calling this method, so we now need to define this method. So at last, we also need to start this application as well. For starting this Deno application, you basically call this function, which is the serve function, and here you pass this handler function and just pass the port number, which is set to the port. So this will start your Deno application like this. And now to run this application, it's very important. For running this application, first of all, you need to define a file in the root directory, which is deno.json. So this will be the configuration file of your Deno app. So here I have also given this code in the full code, which is given in the description. So just put this scripts start and the dev script. So you simply run this by Deno task and then name of the task, which is dev. So it will basically watch the script. If you make any sort of changes, it will automatically restart. So this is the development script, this is a start script. So if I just write here Deno task dev. So for running this, guys, you need to open your command line. So just open your command line right here, just write Deno task dev. So first of all, it will install all the modules, and we granted all the permissions right here, if you see. And then now it is listening on port 8000. If you try to open this, you will see in this easy way you can run this application as well. So localhost 8000. So now we just need to provide this HTML form here because we are running this on localhost. So here we now need to define this function, which is get HTML form. So this function will be responsible for showing the HTML form. So right here you can define this function, which is function get HTML form. So right here you basically have your simplest of forms. So this is a fairly big project, guys. So what I will do, the link is given in the description. Let me just explain you what is happening. So right inside this form here, get HTML form, if you see here, we are returning the full form right here. We applied some CSS right here, which is not important to the project. So just make sure that you have this form here where you can drag and drop and choose your files. And this is your HTML. And also we have written some JavaScript as well, which is responsible, which happens on the client side and before uploading process take place. So this is all the JavaScript which is there, which is not important. And if you see now, this form will show file upload form. So as soon as you choose the file here, the information related to the file will show. This is all happening due to the JavaScript that I written for the project. And as soon as you click the upload file button, the upload will be successful, and then this information will be shown. And then you can view all the files in a tabular structure. So you will see a file is uploaded. You can see the file is uploaded. So it's a fully fledged Deno file upload Google Drive clone kind of an application. And please hit that like button, guys. Subscribe the channel for more videos like this. So this is the overall script here. You will see that inside our get files list, we are showing the all the files in a tabular structure. We have three columns. First of all, the file name, then we have the size, the date of the modification of the file. This is all the HTML. You can even split this code into multiple files as well. So once you get the code, guys, you can do the modification by yourself. The link is given in the description. As you can see right here inside Deno code right here, we have this upload request. So once the user clicks the upload file button, this request will happen, which is /upload. This is a post request, as you can see. And right here we are getting the form data. We are passing the form data. We are creating a new constructor, new object of form data. And then we are getting the actual file here by form data.get file. And here we are comparing that. If the file is not there, then we simply return the message no file uploaded. And then we are setting the maximum size of the file, which is 10 megabytes. So if you try to upload a file which is greater than 10 megabytes, then it will give you an error. So if you try to upload a video, you can see the size of this video is greater than 10 megabytes. Then it will give you this progress bar, but the file will not get uploaded because it is greater than 10 megabytes. So it also have the progress bar if you have a larger file like this. So now you can see the file hasn't uploaded because it was greater than 10 megabytes. Then basically we put the file name, which is random file name. We use the date.now constructor. We give the file name plus the extension, and then we upload this by using the write file method, deno.write file, and then the file is uploaded, and then we simply send out the response that your file is uploaded. And if I hit this route here, which is view all files, after there is this second route as well. You can see that. So if I upload, there is this view uploaded files route. So then as soon as you hit this, it will show you all the files which are there. This route is basically /uploads, and this will list out all the uploaded files. This is the route for that, and here we are simply looping through all the files which are there in this directory, which is uploads directory. How many files? So we are simply putting a for loop, and then we are looping through and showing these files. This is a full application, guys. If you're interested, the link is given in the description. Full Google Drive clone application. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains unlimited number of tools regarding audio, video and image. And I will be seeing you guys in the next live stream.